And sometimes one mistake that we make in our communities, there's a very big difference between a seamstress and a fashion designer. A seamstress is someone that a pattern has been made ready. So she just puts the two pieces together and stitches them. So she puts two seams together, and that's why you are a seamster or a seamstress. But a fashion designer will sketch or illustrate a design. You know, bring out some creativity from the mind. You have the illustration. Now you go to... You then move to cutting the fabric and then stitching. And that's when you have a seamstress. So when you come to my studio, I have a fashion designer that knows how to make patterns. I have seamstresses. I have tailors. So everybody plays a role. But then we found ourselves getting some seamstresses who managed to know how to cut. And that's when you will see a dress with a gaping neck or like a low-hanging cloth. Something is just always not right because that person is not a fashion designer, but a seamstress. So.
I think you've done the elaboration clear, and so it sets you out amongst what other people do.
Oh.